District Court, City of Detroit, State of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Sean B. Perkins is presiding. During this session, there will be no eating, sleeping, talking, or lounging. You'll sit straight up and pay attention. There is no hats, only for religious or spiritual reasons. Have a great day. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. All right. Start off with there's your help, Ms. County.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
City of Detroit versus Roderick Wilkie Grant Jr. Case number 227-498-601. Appearance for the record, please. One of the lawyers, appearance for the record for Mr. Grant, Wilkie Grant Jr., Roderick Wilkie Grant Jr.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Roderick Grant Jr.
All right, today is the date and time for arraignment on the bench warrant.
Your Honor, Your Honor, at this time, we'll ask the court to set aside the bench warrant. We'll stand mute, waive the full reading of the complaint and warrant, and the matter ask the court to enter a not guilty plea.
Whether or not guilty plea on your client's behalf, will give your client a $0 bond. And at this time, I'm going to dismiss the case because of a related civil infraction.
Thank you, Your Honor. Appreciate it. Thank you.
All right, if there's nothing further, Mr. Grant, your case is dismissed. I'll waive the warrant fee as well. But there's no warrant fee.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, I appreciate it, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. Have a great one.
All right, you too. Bye-bye. I'm free to go.
You're free to leave. This is the City of Detroit versus there it is. Gatewood, case number SP 138-6460, counts 1, 2, and 3, and U 4715-2918. Appearance for the record, please.
Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of the defendant.
Mr. Gatewood, can you press *6 to unmute yourself and state your name, please?
Burgess Gatewood.
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial on the 3 matters, on 3 of the traffic violation matters, and arraignment on the bench warrant on the U ticket.
Your Honor,
ahead.
yes,
As it relates-
that's the arraignment on the bench warrant, Judge. We ask the bench warrant be set aside. We'll stand mute and waive the full reading the complaint and warrant on the U ticket pending before the court that's in warrant status.
All right, we'll enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. What does Mr. Goss do on these street failure to pay streetcar tickets? Unless you want an absolute right to a trial, sir, you want to take this matter to trial. It's a 2018 ticket. I'll let you speak to Ms. Cameron in the breakout room. Gardner, let me know what he wants to do. We can either get him an offer, which would probably be to plead. Well, let's just speak to him about the incident, please.
Okay, thanks, Judge.
On the iPhone there, the young lady with her hand up, can you unmute yourself and state your name, please?
Yes, my name is Demika Lewis.
What is it?
Demika Lewis.
All right. City of
Good morning,
Detroit.
Your Honor.
Yeah, let me get this, I'll get you in 1 second. Ms. Miller. This
Okay,
City of
thank you, Your Honor.
versus Mika Lewis, case number SP 3481171 U53095419. Appearance for the record, please. State your name for the record, Ms. Lewis.
Demika Lewis.
All right, today is the date and time set for review in the matter. You haven't paid your obligation, ma'am. Turn your camera on, please.
It's on.
All right, why haven't you paid your obligation?
To be honest, I'm in a
You
car
gotta
right now.
pick yourself up a little bit, ma'am. Pardon me?
Hello? I said, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. You need to cover yourself up a little bit.
Oh, cover myself up. I'm sorry. I just threw my clothes on. I'm sorry.
You owe the court $525. Whereas you haven't paid the money.
You said I owe the court $520.
Are you driving, ma'am? You're gonna have to pull over. All right, call back in when you get pulled over. All right, Miss Miller, what's your client's name?
Hi, Your Honor. I'm here on Mr. Leonard, having connectivity issues, and so I actually need to go back into the breakout room with Mr. Goss.
This is we're gonna give your officers a half-hour grace period from 9 o'clock. You'll have, if they don't check in by that time, then we'll call your case. So you have a trial. Leonard's gonna be represented. That brings me down to, and then Mr. Nathan Lowney.
That is correct.
That is correct.
That's
Lowney. Okay, very good.
Yes.
Is Mr. Boffman representing you?
I have yet to hear from him, sir. I will take anybody that's available at the moment.
I think, did we set this matter over so that so an attorney can give you a call?
Yeah, and I did not receive a call.
All
And
right,
if
get Mr. Boffman on the phone, please. Okay. Because it appears that he was the one. Did you talk to drug treatment court?
you're still talking to me, Your Honor?
Did you talk to drug treatment court?
No, I haven't had any contact with them at all. I've been working. Last time you and I
know
talked.
you've been working. That's fine. That's good. That's great. You've been working, but I want to make sure that you're available to all the resources that we have down here. So I want to get Mr. Boffman in here and drug treatment court in here.
Yeah. Okay.
I just want you to have the conversation with them so they can let you know the services that we have.
Yes, I understand, Your Honor. Yeah, I'll talk to him as soon as he's available. Yeah.
All right, get drug treatment court and Mr. Boffman in here. It appears that Mr. Boffman was assigned to your case. So I'm going to put you two in touch right now.
Okay, sir. Thank you, Your Honor.
Just give me a few, all right?
Okay.
All right. Mr. Lanier, good morning to you. Do you have a valid driver's license, sir?
Good morning, Your Honor. Yes, I do.
Run his driver's license, please. Good morning, Mr. Zaranek. No, I'm gonna run it myself, sir. That might not be worth the plastic is printed on there.
Can you repeat that, Your Honor?
I said, I'm gonna run it myself. That might not be the work the plastic is printed on.
Oh, okay.
All right, let's call the case. This is the city of Detroit versus Gerard Lanier. Case numbers SB 1395472, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Mr. Lanier. Mr. Lanier, state your name for the record, please, sir.
Gerard Lanier.
All right, today is the date and time set for pretrial in the matter. We're gonna run Mr. Lanier's license to see what it looks like. I also put in the chat the driving course for your client, Ms. Cameron. He's got an allegation of 26 to 30 over the speed limit. And to mitigate that, you may want to take that driver course.
Yes, Your Honor. If would it not put points on my license? Because I'm actually a truck driver. I can have.
I don't know. You're what type of driver?
I actually drive a truck, and I can't get any points on my license. Is it like possible any way I can prevent that?
Well, you're gonna have to talk to the city attorney. We'll let Ms. Cameron talk to the city attorney on your behalf and see if he can do that. But he's definitely gonna want you to take that driver's course. I know that. And that driver's course, I put in the chat. Take a screenshot of that, please.
Okay, hold on for this one.
And I got my email address. When you complete that course, you send me the certificate ahead of your next court date so that we can make things a little quicker, okay?
Okay, Your Honor.
I need this driver's license.
All right, thank you.
All right, let's pass the matter. I'm running the license, and we'll see if we can get Mr. Goss to give some input on what you want to do. What about Mr. Birdie's Gatewood, Ms. Cameron? Did you?
Yes, Mr. Gatewood indicated to me that, or I discussed it with him, and my advice to him is to set it for a trial date. Given the age.
Let's go back on the record.
Just what did you want your treatment for?
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gatewood. Mr. Gatewood, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. It's my understanding that you want to set this matter for a trial.
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Very good. I'm going to set a trial date for May the 12th, 2023 at 9 a.m. So
May 12th.
May 12th.
Yes, sir.
So let me ask you this: do you have a valid license, sir?
No, sir.
It would probably behoove you to go to the Secretary of State and try to get a valid license as well before that day.
My license is suspended.
Well, go to the Secretary of State and see what you can do to get one. You may be surprised, Mr. Gatewood.
Oh, okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, I will.
Right, have a great day, sir. Good luck to you.
Okay, so May 12th at 9 a.m.
May 12th at 9 a.m. You got it. Have a good day.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
I do have a valid license for Mr. Lanier.
Okay, Judge.
Is that Miss Tamika Lewis back?
Yes.
Are you driving still, ma'am?
Oh.
All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Tamika Lewis. Miss Lewis, again, you owe the court $525. You got these tickets sitting here waiting for a dismissal if you pay. What are you gonna do?
I'm actually on my, it's been a hard little run. I'm actually on my way down there now to pay it. It's
You
kind of
gonna pay it
crazy. Yeah, I want to pay it this morning. It's real. It's been hard for me. I ain't been able to pay it, but I can pay it right now as we speak. My sister's
All right, well,
taking
come on
it.
down. Come down and pay it, and then you come up to the courtroom and show us your receipt, and we can dismiss the tickets.
So I could just pay him right now and come up to your courtroom.
Yeah, and we'll dismiss the cases.
Okay, I'm on my way down there right now.
All right, be careful, ma'am. Have a great day.
Thank you.
All right, Miss Miller, what about Mr. Leonard? What's gonna go on with him? Attorney Miller?
You got everything you need?
Ms. Mathis, I sent you an email.
All right, I'll check it. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, let's move on. And I don't hear, I see that Mr. Bachman came in. He's speaking to Lowney. Oh, I need the drug treatment bin.
I called.
Right. So Leonard, then Little is the next person then. Little has.
Madam Court Reporter, I don't see your email.
I'm sorry, a chat.
Okay, that's okay.
City of Detroit versus Kiera Tanya Little, case number SP 33740771. State your name for the record, Ms. Little.
Kiera Little.
All right, today is the date and time set for an arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead. Counselor.
Bob Zarana for Miss Little, Your Honor. We would ask that the bench warrant be set aside and a personal bond be put in place, and we'd like to pre-try this matter.
All right, let's, I'll put a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond. So I guess this is a misdemeanor because it's a commercial vehicle?
No,
no. Do you have register? Do you have plates for this vehicle?
It's not a commercial vehicle, but I have a yes, I have it.
I understand what kind of vehicle it is. It's just
okay. Hold on. Let's see if you can.
Hold on a second. Now let's just see the plates. Let's see the
Okay.
plates.
Can you see? Or let me.
Well, I don't know how they wrote this ticket, Counselor, but I do see valid plates for the vehicle. So I'm going to dismiss the case.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Providing valid documentation. Okay, Ms. Little, if nothing further, your case is going to be dismissed. Have a very good day. Good luck to you, all right?
Thank you, sir.
I'll hold the warrant for you.
Oh, thank you.
All right, have a great day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Is this a niece Gross?
Yes, it is.
Okay, good morning to you, man. This is the city of Detroit. Do you know Ms. Little?
I'm sorry.
Do you know Ms. Little?
No,
Okay.
I'm in for, I have,
I know, I
for,
see.
oh, okay.
You just live on the same street.
Oh, wow.
This is the
She
city of
looks a
Detroit.
little familiar, but no.
The city of Detroit versus Anise Dapp Elizabeth Gross, case number SP 1376778, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Bob Zaranick for Miss Gross, Your Honor. Please state your name, ma'am.
My name is Anise Gross.
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. The offer is going to be pleading to the amended count of blocking traffic, $175 for the disregarding of traffic control device. That's going to be 0 points, ma'am. It will not abstract to the Secretary of State. I call it akin to an expensive parking ticket, and I'll dismiss the misdemeanor. You have an absolute right to a trial, and you can speak to Mr. Zaranick in the breakout room if you choose to. What would you like to do?
Basically, the attorney, last time he was explaining that you said that you was gonna drop the points, and then I would just have to pay the fines, correct?
$175. You want to do that?
Yes, but will I be able to pay it over time?
Yeah,
Because I actually broke my toe, so right now I'm like off of work.
ouch, that hurts. All right, yeah, I'll give you some time. So your client, will you, on behalf of your client counsel, will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that
We
response?
do, Your Honor. We do, and we stipulate the probable cause on the dismissal.
Very well. I'm going to find your client responsible for the count of blocking traffic. I'm going to dismiss the other matter. $175. Ms. Gross, when can you pay it?
I should be able to pay it around this time next month.
All right, you want 30 days?
Yes.
All right, 4/17, that's April 17th, 2023. Make sure it's paid, or make sure you get back in the court if you have some reason you couldn't pay it, so that your license doesn't get suspended, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck and accelerated heat on that broken toe.
Okay, thank you so much. You all have a good day too.
Bye. All right.
436. No, excuse me, scratch that.
Excuse me.
Yes. Hello, Ms. Little. How are you?
I'm fine. I think I came late. I think my
I checked you in, ma'am. You're in line. Everybody's in line if I haven't mentioned anything to you.
Okay. All right.
All right.
Oh my God.
Let's call the city of Detroit versus DeMarcos Marquise Antonio D. Latham. Case numbers SP 1286247, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1383268, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1394660, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1418002, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1425961, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance to record, please.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Mr. Latham.
Mr. Latham, can you state your name for the record, please?
Carlos Latham.
All right, today is the date and time. Let me see, are all these set for trial? Let's get them arraigned on the ones that are set for arraignment, Counselor.
Yes, Judge, as to the arraignment, we'll stand mute, waive the formal reading of the complaint and warrants in these matters. Ask the court to enter not guilty plea.
Leonard are not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. And we can either do it one of two ways. Well, this is a Harry Hoffman case as well. No, it's the wrong file. Wrong file. So one of two ways, we can either set a trial date in this, or you can wait on an offer, Mr. Latham. What would you like to do?
I was told from another lawyer that I spoke to last time that I had to show my registration and the proof of the insurance for the matter. The registration to the vehicle. I have it right here.
I would like to see that, but hold on a second. Let me explain to you. You have a lot of cases sitting here. So why don't we get the city attorney in here, and then we can get you an offer. And I'll let him see the insurance and registration, all right?
Yes, Judge.
All right, let me get him in here. And I'll pass that matter, and then we'll see what he says about that. All right, are you ready to go, Ms. Miller?
Yes, Your Honor, we are ready to proceed, and I sincerely apologize to the court if you called our matter before.
This is the city of Detroit. Versus Javon Leonard, case number SP 131-54641, SP 131-60521. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexandra Miller, P86290, on behalf of Mr. Javon Leonard, who is present via Zoom. For the record, we do consent to this hearing being conducted via Zoom. And Mr. Leonard, if you could please unmute and state your name for the record.
Javon Leonard.
Good morning to you, sir. Good morning, counsel. How do you want to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor. I have been in contact with Mr. Goss for the people, and through speaking with him, we are requesting an additional pretrial date in order for me to write a deviation letter to the people.
All right. How long do you need? Pretrial is 4/13/2023.
4/13. Let me just double check my calendar here, Your Honor, but I believe that
4/11/2023. April of the 11th.
4/11 works great, Your Honor.
All right, at 8:30 a.m. All right, we'll have you back on a pretrial April 11, 2023. And there's nothing further. You and your client have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Nothing further.
All right.
All right.
Mr. Who is M. Tillman? Who is M. Tillman? Did M. Tillman leave? No, M. Tillman is still here. Mr. I wanted your, who is M. Tillman?
That's me, Your Honor.
It's who? And are you a, what, are you an officer?
No, my name is Keith Garrett. My fiance is setting me up on her Zoom account.
Keith Garrett. Okay. All right. Let's change that. That's Garrett.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. All right, now, Mr. Boffman, for Lowney, I wanted him to speak with Drug Treatment Court. What do you want to do?
Judge, we will take a trial date, please, and thank you. And just for your information, the defendant is currently enrolled in a treatment court, not a treatment court, but a treatment program in Hazel Park. It's full-time, it's medically assisted treatment program, and he's taking some medications maintenance medications for his.
All right. That's why I really wanted him to speak to drug treatment court to see if he wanted to get in our program. Which
Right.
I'm not putting their program down, but our program is one of the best in the country, or one of the best in the country.
Well, he's a year in now with the program in Hazel Park. If we could set a date, and if you still feel it's necessary, once and if we resolve the matter, we'd be happy to apply.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Nathan Lowney, case number U63711122. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman, P55052 for the defendant. Sir, please state your full name for the record.
Nathaniel Lowney.
Thank you, Your Honor. It's date time for pretrial. Would you please and thank you set this matter for a waiver trial by way of.
All right, that's what you want to do, Mr. Lowney?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to set the matter for a trial date on May the 12th, 2023 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, you and your client have a very good day.
Thank you, Your Honor. You as well. Bye,
Thank you,
everybody.
Your Honor. Good day to you.
All right, let's see what Little John.
Excuse me, Your Honor, I have a question.
Who's got the question? Deshaun Green, good morning to you.
Good morning. I was wondering if was I checked in for my hearing today?
You are.
Oh, okay, thank you.
All right. City of Detroit versus Mattia Tony Littlejohn, case number SP 1021927, count 1, SP 1030884, counts 2 and counts 3, and SP 1247111. Appearance for the record, please. No, strike that. State your name as Littlejohn for the record.
Mattia Littlejohn.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for reviewing the matter. You also owe money and haven't paid, ma'am. You paid some, You need some more time, I'm assuming.
Yes, I just need at least until next month. I had popped my arm out of place, so that kind of put me like 3 weeks back from work.
All
to
right,
heal.
I'm gonna set up, I got Yancey is here. I'm gonna set up another review date for 4/17/2023. All right, give you 30 more days, okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
You get better soon and good luck to you, all right?
Okay, you too.
All right. All right, let's move on to Ray Sean. And that would be, he gave you the first, give me that name again, Mr. Oh, what about Lanier? Lanier, have you get a chance to talk to Mr. Goss on Lanier?
No, Your Honor.
No, I'm talking about Miss Cameron. And
No,
then,
Your Honor.
And then, well, why don't you see if Mr. Goss is in that room, and then get Mr. Latham an offer as well on the old cases and the new cases. So let's see if we can put you in that. See if Mr. Goss is in there.
All right, thank you.
Oh, Mika Lewis is coming down. Go ahead.
Officer now for the trial. He's on an accident scene and he's okay to dismiss him.
All right, but remember that. All right, let's continue on. Ray Sean, what's Ray Sean's name again? First, last name?
Lundy Mays.
Lundy Mays. All right. All right, there we go. City of Detroit versus Rayshawn Valdez Lundy Mays, case number SP 1305677, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1360772, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1437525, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1438235, counts 1, 2, and 3. 214153191. Appearance for the record, please.
I'm Zoranek for Mr. Lundy Mays, Your Honor. Please state your name, sir.
Rayshawn Lundy Mays.
Okay, this is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
But just to the warrant, we'd ask that it be set aside and his bond, personal bond be put in place for Mr. Lundy Mays.
Give him a $0 bond, enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, and recall the warrants. Do you want an offer or you want to go straight to trial on this, sir?
I will take the offer.
Let's give him an offer as well. I'm going to put that matter aside for an offer. Was he in there?
Yes, he did come in. Judge, as to Mr. Gerard Lanier, he wants him to take that driver improvement class as Secretary of State.
All right, let's go back on the record for Mr. Lanier. Mr. Lanier, I'm giving you counsel opportunity to speak with the city attorney, and he does want you to take. I knew he wanted you to take it. I don't know what the offer is going to be, but you can come back in here and let him know when you take that course. So
okay,
how much time do you need to take the course?
Would you happen to know how long the course is?
I think it's about 4 hours online. I don't exactly know.
Oh, I could actually do it Tuesday morning.
Let's have you back on May the 11th, 2023 at 8:30.
You said May the 30th?
No, strike that. April the 11th. April the 11th at 8:30.
April 11th at 8:30.
Yes.
Okay,
and I
Your Honor.
Chad, did you take a screenshot of the course?
No, I thing. Unfortunately, I'm trying to find it. Yeah, I'm not sure how to work this thing. Hold on.
I'm gonna repopulate it. And you should have a chat symbol down there. If you don't see it, go to more, and it should pop up.
Chat 4. Okay, yeah, I see it now.
So take a screenshot of that, please. Get that course taken, and come back on April the 11th, 2023. Yeah. Let's see. Lewis. If you don't have any further questions, you're free to leave, all right?
Okay, Your Honor. Thank you. I appreciate it.
No. Pre-trial. Okay. You know something, I really don't need to see.
Take care.
All right, take it easy. Okay, this pays for both of them. All right, let's see.
Joseph? Yes.
Okay.
Carlos, like.
I need offers for those files there, please. All right, let's recall the case of Miss Little. Really even have to recall it. What I'm going to do now, ma'am, is I'm gonna dismiss, Lewis, I'm gonna dismiss both of these matters, all right? Hey. Best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a very good day. Good luck to you, all right? All right. Hope things, I hope, yes.
That's Danica Lewis.
Danica Lewis. I hope things get better for you. Yes, that's true. You can dismiss both of those.
She got something.
You want the paperwork here, or you want to wait, or you?
Yeah, but I'm sorry, I never been through this before. Is it clear for the city of Detroit, or do I have to come back?
No, you're done. The cases are dismissed.
Okay.
Okay. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. DeMarcos Latham. Mr. Latham, are you there?
Yes, Judge.
Essentially, he's got drivers. Do you have a valid license?
No, sir. I've been working on it, Judge. I've had like 6 previous deaths back to back in my family, so I haven't had time to do it.
I'm sorry to hear that.
I actually have a funeral to go to tomorrow for my aunt.
All right, I'm sorry to hear that. I'm sorry to hear that. Here's what the city's not gonna give you an offer because they want to speak to the officer on this one case. So let's set a trial date, and that'll give you time to get a valid license as well. It doesn't appear that you need anything here. I don't know about any tickets in any other jurisdictions that are gonna affect your license, but I would take it to the Secretary of State. They should be able to tell you everything you need to do to get a valid license, all right? Case numbers and all. So come back on May the 12th, 2023 at 9 a.m. and we'll get some resolution to these matters, okay?
You said May what, Judge?
May the 12th, 2023 at 9 a.m.
May the 12th, 9 a.m.
Yes, if it's nothing further, sir, I do sympathize with you and us. Our prayers go out to you and your family, and hopefully you can get a valid driver's license. Bring that documentation that you are going to show the court for that registration and insurance as well, all right?
Yes, Judge.
All right, if it's nothing further, have a very good day, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you. Judge.
Yes.
Can you repeat the date one more time, please?
May the 12th, 2023, 9 a.m.
9 a.m. Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you.
I'm free to go?
You're free to leave.
Thank you. Have a good afternoon.
You too. Is he saying all these matters are state matters? I can't believe all these tickets are state matters. He just looks at one ticket. Get Mr. Goss. Where's Mr. Goss? I'm trying to get an offer for Lundy Mays. He saw the one ticket in there. I want an offer on all the tickets. Rear, we're waiting on, we have officers showing up for rear, so we'll give the rest of the officers an opportunity if they do appear. That gets us down to Grasty.
Hi, Your Honor.
Very well. Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
This is City of Detroit versus Jerry Jerome Gratzky, case number SP 136-10231, SP 138-6636, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance, record, please.
Observing for Mr. Grassley, Your Honor. Please state your name, sir.
Jerry Grassley.
All right, today is the date and time set for arraignment on the, on the pretrial. I do see you have a loudspeaker ticket, unsafe manner ticket, defective equipment our lights and a limited access 1 to 5. You've already pled to that, or judgment was already rendered. You just didn't pay that fine yet.
Yes, Your Honor. I was heard on that matter yesterday morning at 10 a.m. and they told me to wait 7 days until it's in the system, and I paid $125.
I don't see that you paid the 125, but
I haven't, sir. That matter was taken care of yesterday at 10 a.m. and they told me wait 7 days until until it's in the system, and then I pay in 7 days. But I have up to 30 days to pay the 125, but I'm going to pay it in 7.
I don't see why they couldn't give them a disregard traffic control device. I don't see why they couldn't give them a blocking traffic.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
I was speaking out loud, thinking out loud.
Okay.
I don't know why they wouldn't give you a blocking traffic for that disregard and traffic control device. So you didn't have an abstract on your driving record.
Oh, I got you.
I
wish they would have, because I know it's a 0 point thing, but yeah, I also have a CDL and I drive for a living.
Did you let them know that?
Yes, I did tell them that, but that didn't go very far.
See if Ms. Cameron can, what's that, Mr. Zoranik on this? Let me see if Mr. Zoranik can help you out. He's got, you drive for a living, you got violation of basic speed law here, driving with too loud of music and insufficient or defective lights on his 82 Buick. So
yes, sir.
You're only 1 year older than the car.
Yes.
So is this some kind of classic car that you have?
Well, it was a classic car that I had. It's a car that I built, and I drove it for a few years, and I was given a nice offer, so I sold it maybe 6 months ago.
All right. I'm thinking, I know these are allegations, except for the disregard and traffic control device that's amended, so that for driving for a living, it doesn't disregard the traffic control devices. It doesn't make good sense to do that when you're a commercial driver. You have a commercial license, sir?
Yes, sir. You're absolutely correct, Your Honor.
So your responsibility is even higher than other people.
Yes, sir. I agree. I admit guilt. I was distracted and I shouldn't have been, and that's what happened. So,
Mr. Savani, go ahead and talk to Mr. Goss. See if you can help him out.
Well, dude, Judge, I'm not. Okay, he's in one.
Yeah, he's got the one that he pled the responsible to yesterday, a limited access 1 to 5. Generally, I would offer him a blocking traffic on a district controller. He paid $50 extra. He's got the loudspeaker, unsafe manner, and defective lights on an old school.
Yeah.
All right.
Does he still have a disregarding a signal?
No, so what he did was he went to the traffic court yesterday and they amended it just to a limited access 1 to 5 at abstract on his license. And he's saying that that's going to affect his, commercial license.
Okay. I'll talk to him, Judge. Yep.
All right, see what you can get him as far as a global resolution on that. And then we'll see what happens. Maybe take a defensive driving course would probably be the answer. I don't know. Ask Mr. Goss what he thinks.
All right, thank you.
Okay, Miss Littleton, are you there?
Yes.
I'm gonna pass the matter, Mr. Congrats, Steve. And we're gonna get Mr. Goss's city attorney's opinion on it. City of Detroit versus CR434, Littleton, case number SP 1394627, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 139-83401. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Ms. Littleton.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Ms. Littleton, do you have insurance for this vehicle?
Yes, sir, I do.
All right, give her a blocking traffic. You gotta slow it down a little bit too, ma'am. Give her a blocking traffic amended to the speeding amended to blocking traffic and $175.
I'm sorry.
And I'll dismiss the 2 no insurance tickets.
Okay, Judge.
You want to take that deal, ma'am? You have an absolute right to a trial on the misdemeanors. Do you want to take the deal? I'll dismiss the 2 misdemeanors, and then you enter a responsible plea to the amended count of blocking traffic. It won't have any effect on your license. It'll be a $175 fine, and we'll close it out.
That's fine. That's fine. I'll take it.
Okay. Very well. Will you stipulate on behalf of your clients in the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis?
Yes, Judge, I will.
All right, will you stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other 2 matters?
Yes, we will stipulate the probable cause.
All right, very well, Ms. Littleton, I'm gonna find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. When can you pay, ma'am?
That's all I wanted to talk about. I get paid next Tuesday. I was gonna handle it then because I didn't have it right now.
All right, so basically you're saying that you need a week or so.
Yeah, just a week.
I'm gonna give you until March the 24th, okay? 2023.
Okay,
Pay that $175, we'll close the matter out, and you won't have any driver's license implications. If you can't pay it, ma'am, you need to zoom back in and see if the court can give you some more time, all right? I don't want it to affect your license, all right?
Yeah, I'll be able to pay it. I'll pay it by then.
Very well. If there's nothing further, you have a very good day. Good luck to you, okay?
You too. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ryan.
All right, very well. Mr. Zoranic, did you get any kind of
Judge, so the city attorney recommended if Mr. Grassley could do the driver improvement course, since he's got a couple moving violations, then he could make him a better offer.
Let's do that. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Grassley. Mr. Grassley, you heard that, take the driver improvement course. At this time, what about setting aside the responsible plea? Is that?
I did talk to him about that also, Judge, and we would ask that plea be set aside and that all 4 of those matters be set for a pretrial.
All right, yeah. All right, I find good cause to set aside the responsible plea. Mr. Grassley indicated to the court that he is a commercial driver, and that it will affect his livelihood, I'm assuming, if he gets these points or gets these abstractions on his license. I'm going to give you an opportunity. I'm going to put the information in the chat, sir. I'll repopulate it. It's in there already. I'll repopulate it. And you take this driver improvement course. Send me the certificate ahead of time. You see it in the chat there?
Yes, sir.
Take a screenshot of that. Send me the certificate ahead of time. Come back in court next time and tell the same story you told today, all right?
Yes, sir.
We're setting aside the responsible plea on SP 136-10231. We'll reopen that matter.
Yes,
And then come
yes,
to
sir.
court with some money. Come to court with some money too, all right?
Yes, sir.
If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Okay, when do I come back to court?
April the 11th, 2023 at 8:30.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
All right, I'm gonna get Mr. Goss. Mr. Latham he's got to give me an offer. All right, let's move on to Lineham. Zanelle Capri Latria.
Yeah.
Lineham, did I get that correct?
Yes, Judge.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Zanelle Capri Latria Lineham, case number SP 136-77041. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Ms. Lineham.
Ms. Lineham, can you state your name for the record, please?
Danielle Lineham.
All right, today is the date and time set for
Show cause.
you know Bernard Lineham?
No.
Okay, show cause. Go ahead, counselor, as far as arraignment's concerned.
Yes, Judge. As to the arraignment, we'll waive before reading the complaint and warrant, ask the court to enter not guilty plea, and set any warrant aside in this matter.
All right, I'm in not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Lineham, do you have a valid registration for this vehicle?
I do.
Can I see it, please?
Oh, I don't have it. I'm out of state.
All right, you want to give you time, give you an opportunity to get back. When you coming back?
I'm here for a funeral. The funeral is on Monday. I'll be back in town Tuesday.
I'm sorry to hear that. Everybody's got funerals to go to.
Oh, it was so unexpected.
I'm sorry to hear that, man.
Thank you.
My condolences go out to you, and I can get you back in March the 31st, in 2 weeks from now.
Okay, I can do that. What time?
8:30, March 31st, 8:30. You're gonna bring that documentation. Just show it have it ready to show to the court. All right.
Okay.
All right, my condolences go out to you and your family. God bless, and I wish you the best of luck.
Thank you.
Have a great day. Good luck to you. Safe travels back. All right.
Thank you.
LaWanda Leggett. Is Ms. Leggett there? We're waiting on a trial for Ms. Leggett. It is now 9.
I'm here. I was trying to get to unmute my phone.
Very well. Let's see. Seems like Ms. Leggett keeps getting tickets. For the trial form hearing on all of them. Is there an officer Bradley Connor? Brad Connor, State Police, no. City of Detroit versus LaWanda Monet Leggett. State of Michigan versus LaWanda Monet Leggett. Case numbers SX 3901548, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Bob Zaranick for Ms. Leggett, Your Honor. Please state your name, ma'am.
LaWanda Leggett.
Leggett, sorry.
Well, Judge, today's the day and time set for a trial. It's my understanding the officer did not appear. Ms. Leggett did appear. She's ready to proceed. We ask for a dismissal. It is about 9:35. The matter was scheduled for 9 o'clock.
Well, I do that all the time, don't I, Ms. Leggett? Leggett.
I came to court on February the 4th or the 6th, and we was giving the officer time to show up, and then you said if he didn't show up, we'll dismiss it.
So why are you back? What happened?
I'm back because I was told to come back on the 17th for a trial.
Oh. Well, they're getting dismissed now, all right?
Thank you.
Pay the warrant fee. We'll dismiss the case, no officer. I grant your motion, counsel. If there's nothing further, Mr. Leggett, have a very good day, all right?
I have another question, but you have a good day too. I was making payments on them tickets, so do my payments stop or?
Yeah, your payments are gonna stop on those, but you owe other tickets,
Okay,
all right?
okay, thank you.
All right, if there's nothing further, man, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Okay, thank you, you too.
Will, what's Will's name? Good morning to you, Will. That's my son's name. Unmute yourself, please.
Hey, good morning, Hyman. How you doing?
What's your last name, sir?
William Griffin.
All right, can you take your hat off, please? Let's see. Why is Rayshawn back? Jameer Devontae?
One more time.
William Jameer Devontae Griffin?
Yes.
It's the city of Detroit versus William Jameer Devontae Griffin, case number SP 1345757, counts 1, 2, and 3.
Bob Zaranick for Mr. Griffin.
We got a long way to go.
There's more.
Mr.
There's more. Sorry, Judge.
SP 134575591, SP 1377856, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1389739, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1395192, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1395193, counts 1 and counts 2. 217356351, 217356361. Appearance for the record, please.
Bob Zaranick for Mr. Griffin. Please state your name, sir.
William Griffin.
It looks like all these matters are for pretrial today, Judge.
You want an offer, or you want to go straight to trial on these matters, Mr. Griffin?
I would like an offer.
All right, let's put the matter aside. Let's get him an offer. And I'm still waiting on Latham's offer as well. So he's the one of the Lundy Mays. He's one of the first ones to come in, and now he has to wait the longest. Sorry about that, Mr. Lundy Mays. Mr. Rayshawn, you back?
Yes, sir. I'm here, Your Honor.
What? I thought we handled your matter already. Is that Rayshawn?
Oh, no, my phone.
Mays? No, okay,
Yes.
I got it. No, that's, I thought we handled your matter already.
No, we didn't, Your Honor. You had told me to wait. I was waiting on the offer.
That's not bad. Who is Devontae, who is Keontae Bundy Gray? This is the wrong file. Here. That's fine. I don't get monkey great. They haven't showed it.
Okay.
All right, who was on the Moto G Cure? They're not here now, so we'll move on. We'll move on. And then there was an iPhone, which I don't see now.
Your Honor, I'm Deshaun Green. That's me on the motor.
You were next anyway, Mr. Green.
Okay, thank you.
Latham was the one that we had up there. He set the trial date up.
No.
Green, you're set for trial. See if Green's officer show up. Salazar, Diego Salazar. I don't see Diego Salazar. This is the city of Detroit versus Deshaun Lee Green. Case number is 207-07156, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please. Need a lawyer.
No.
Hello? I need a lawyer to put their appearance on the record, please.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of the defendant.
All right, Mr. Green, state your name for the record, please.
Deshaun Lee Green.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. Is there a Diego Salazar, Officer Diego Salazar? Hearing no response.
Judge, we'd motion to dismiss.
Okay.
Is there Officer Lewis? I don't know why Diego Salazar is on here. Officer Lewis wrote the ticket. It signed the complaint at least. All right. So with that being said, neither Salazar or Lewis are here. So I'm going to grant the motion to dismiss no officer. I'm going to waive the warrant fee. You're going to be responsible to pay the reinstatement fee, sir. So that's $135 in reinstatement fees, and you owe $392 on this disorderly conduct. Let's talk about that. That's City of Detroit versus Deshaun Green, case number U851582. Strike that, U85158312. You pled guilty back in 2015 and never paid.
Okay. That's okay. What can you tell me the issue date for that disorderly conduct? I don't recall. I don't know what that.
What is your birthday?
February 22nd, 1995.
So that issue date was 3/14, almost 2012. That was just a little over 11 years ago.
It's 2012. I was I 17 years old? I mean, that's from school. That's from, oh wow. I thought I did a plea by mail from prison last year, well, 2021, and I got a dismissal from that because I don't know. It's okay though. I'll pay it.
You had I don't see a plea by mail. It says you came to court and it was dismissed on 4/2/15. Let me see if there's a plea by mail.
You know, there's like an issue with the incorrect spelling of my last name. Like I have two different, because if you put an E at the end of my Green where it's supposed to be, there's a whole nother list of tickets for me because like that's how my name is spelled. But I was issued these tickets with the incorrect spelling. So I mean, it's just a lot of confusion going on about my name. So I don't know. I thought I took care of this already though. It's 11 years ago. Wow.
It was supposed to be under delayed sentence back in 2015. You had a review date on July the 2nd, 2015. And it doesn't appear that you've satisfied any of what you needed to do. I don't see anything else but just to pay fines and costs before review date, and they would have closed it out.
Okay.
I'm gonna look up your name under with the E at the end as well to see if you have any other tickets outstanding.
Okay. Well, I don't think so. I think I just owe money, if I'm not mistaken, because I did a plea by mail from prison, and they sent me something back, and everything was cleared, like my warrants that I had. I think I had about a lot of tickets, if I'm not mistaken. I don't recall how many, but they were all cleared.
In prison?
2.5 years.
When did you do the prison sentence?
From 2019 to March of last year, March of 22. I was released a year ago. I sent the plea by mail, and I think they responded to me in either December of 21 or January of 22. I received a letter back from the court stating that they accepted my plea by mail and everything was cleared. But I'm not sure what. I don't know. My probation officer informed me that maybe that it hasn't been taken out of the system yet, so that's why it's still showing up. I'm not sure.
You got anything to say about that, Counselor?
Well, Your Honor, given the time that he spent in prison, I'm asking the court to dismiss the matters.
Well, the matters are all dismissed or all adjudicated, it appears. It's just the fines and costs that are owed and outstanding.
On civil infractions or on these matters?
Civil infractions. These matters are going to be dismissed because of no officer on the 2077.
Yeah,
207-0715-6123.
Right.
Then on the U85158312, the matter that was 17 years old, that is that's owed $392. And then under his name, that the correct spelling of his name, Grene, Deshaun Green, he owes money under that. I should have printed that out. He owes money under that spelling of his name as well. And all of those, it seems like all of those cases were adjudicated as well. Let me go back. It doesn't seem like he has any open cases. He just owes the court money.
Okay. Well, Judge, you can't get credit for time served on civil infractions. I mean, I hate to say that, but it's true.
And it's more than civil infractions that he owes money on. He owes money on. Well, let's see here. Let's see if there's more than civil infractions.
No, they were all civil infractions. I've never had anything else from this.
Studded tires is a civil infraction. Yeah, that's a civil, and they were. He understands all of that. I don't think any of that is messing with his license. So I'll give him credit for time served on the disorderly conduct. I'll amend the sentence for the disorderly conduct to 30 days, Wayne County Jail. And I'll give him credit for time served.
Thank you, Judge.
And then
Thank you, Your Honor.
dismiss. All right. All right. There's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Pete Garrett.
Thank you.
Garrett. All right, have a good one. No, I don't know, is officer here, keep here. Thank you, have a good day, sir. Good luck to you.
Okay, I have one question. So about the money that I owe still, that I still owe that for the correct spelling of my name? I'm sorry, Your Honor.
You still owe that, yeah, but that shouldn't affect you to get a license, because that's a long time ago. You still owe it, and they're gonna probably still try to collect on it. So you can make a payment plan with the court, but they're gonna, I don't know, I've seen people action been taken into collection lately.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Have a great day, sir. Good luck to you.
All right, you too. All right.
This one. James.
Henry already. So he's already his trial. Is Robert, is there an officer here for Robert Robinson Terrell? Officer Robinson Terrell Robinson? No, it's the city of Detroit versus Keith Garrett. Case number SP 1360363, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Melinda Cameron. Mr. Garrett. Thank you. Sorry, Chuck. Sorry, Bob.
Bob's running for.
Everybody wants the dismissal one.
Yeah, we don't want to do the trials, Judge. We just want the dismissal.
All right, let's get the dismissal. I'll take, I would too. All right, state your name. Mrs. Zoranic, appearance, please.
Bob Zoranic for Mr. Garrett, Your Honor. Please state your name, Mr. Garrett.
Keith Garrett.
Judge, today's the day and time set for trial at 9 o'clock. My understanding, the officer did not appear. Mr. Garrett's been here and dressed nicely since court started, and we'd move for a dismissal, Judge.
He is dressed very nicely. I was going to comment on that as well, but you robbed me of that and all the extra little words about all that. So I think you're very, very, very nicely dressed, sir. I appreciate that. That's the way. Well, that's the way that I would come if I had 93 days in jail looking over my head. But that's the way the old school did it. And now the new school doesn't see it that way. So I don't know where it's gonna go. So if there's nothing further, I'm gonna grant the motion to dismiss and have a very good day, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you. Have a nice one. Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right. What about Monday? May?
I gave Zuma Bob already got an offer.
Monday, Mays, we have an offer.
All right. So let's go back on the record with Mr. Lundy Mays. Mr. Sean Lundy Mays. What's gonna be the offer for that?
The offer, Judge, is to dismiss the no insurance plea to a FTD on the driving while license suspended.
But it's way more cases than that. Yeah, I get him in here and I show him this. I mean, we want to treat it like a one-stop shop.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna ask you, Your Honor, if we can run the concurrent.
I mean, I have him, he's got the thing right in his face.
All right, I'll have to go in and talk to him again, Judge, because that's all he said that he had.
And the same thing for William Griffin.
So William Griffin, Judge, there's an offer of 2 FTDs and 2 improper plates, dismiss everything else.
That sounds like more. Go in the breakout room. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Griffin. And you can discuss that with him and give him his advice or rights. If he wants to take the deal, let him know he has an absolute right to a trial.
All right, Mr. Griffin, hit that join prompt on your screen.
That's $240 a piece. That sounds like about $960. We'll dismiss the 2 improper plates, and then 2 FTDs. Those FTDs are gonna, if he doesn't have a license, then that's gonna mess his license up for quite some time.
All right, we'll be back, Judge.
I can't understand why the city won't allow you to do allowing. Just makes people trying to get a driver's license. What is it? Crazy, yes. Brandon Gilbert, are you here?
Yes.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
What's your middle name? What's your middle name, Mr. Gilbert?
Deshaun.
I don't see him on the docket. Do you, Miss? Oh, you're not supposed to be here until next week, the 23rd.
Oh yeah, but I had caught a ticket and I had to reschedule. I had to schedule a court date. They told me March 17th.
I don't see any you're the Mr. Gilbert with the dogs, aren't you?
Yeah.
You might have adjourned up to.
No, I don't see anything with him on the 17th.
Yep, I had called the secretary. That's what I called.
I just don't see anything with any dogs. I mean, I'm strike that. I don't see anything with any other extra ticket that you got. You still owe $240 on one of those dog tickets, though.
I paid $240 on the dog ticket.
You got 2 dog tickets, of $240 and $240. One is paid, one is still open. All right, I don't see any other tickets that you have. Come back on March the 23rd, next week, on Thursday, is your trial formal hearing dates for these other tickets.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yep.
So make sure you write that down, March the 23rd at 9 a.m.
I got it. March 23rd.
All right, there's nothing further, so I'll see you back next week.
Okay. See you.
All right. How did Brent Lyles get here? City of Detroit versus Brent Doyle Lyles, case number SP 1301452-1, SP 1366913-1, SP 1366915, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1421464, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Melinda Cameron, appearing on behalf of Brent Lyles. Mr. Lyles.
Lyles must have snuck in there. I don't remember putting him down. Mr. Lyles, can you state your name for the record, please?
Brent Doyle Lyles.
All right, today is the date and time set for arraignment. Go ahead, Counselor.
Yes, Your Honor, as to the matters before the court, we ask the court to set aside any warrants that may be outstanding in these two matters. We'll stand mute, waive the full reading the complaint and warrants on these two matters on an unregistered, untitled motor vehicle and no insurance tickets, misdemeanors.
All right, we have, I'll enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. He has 2 civil infractions that are in default. Judgment was rendered. Judgment was rendered. He admitted responsibility. It's supposed to be amended to limited access, and it wasn't for the wrong way driving, 1 to 5, and the disregarding a red signal is in default.
The disregard to, I took a driver improvement course.
Who did you take that with?
I have to check my email, but I took it before the date that it was due, which I believe was last month.
Well, I'm concerned about the wrong way driving. Which one did you take for the? Did you take the driver improvement course for the wrong way driving?
No, I believe it was for in regards to the red light. I haven't, this is my first time coming to court for all these matters.
Not on the one-way drive, not on the wrong way driving, correct?
I believe so. I believe that I believe I got all that at one time, the one-way driving and the no insurance and registration. I mean, plate.
He had a pre.
No, you went to a pre-hearing on the wrong way driving.
Okay.
And at that hearing, apparently that's what the notes say here. At that hearing on the wrong way driving, that the incident, the offense date was January 16, 2022. It says he went to a hearing for that on September 29, 2022. And a judgment was rendered, and they made it a limited access 1 to 5, and it's still in our system as the wrong way driving. It says amended. But they never put the amendment in our system.
So they were supposed to amend?
Yeah, it says here, 9/29/2022, pre-hearing held, wrong way driving, amended charge, limited access 1 to 5, he admitted responsibility, judgment rendered, sentence was $125. And this on 1/9/2023, miscellaneous action, wrong way.
Okay, what happens with pre-hearing, if they fail to comply, they change it back to the original charge. So right here, he never.
Oh, I see, said the blind man.
He never pays. When they don't pay the money, when they come to the pre-hearings, if they don't pay the money, that's why you see it down here at the bottom, it says. Charge, check, see one.
I understand, I got it, I got it. I'm there now. I learned something new today in that they say that Mr. Lyles did not pay that limited access ticket. So therefore, it reverted back to the original charge. That's why it's not listed in here. And he's got a disregard and a red signal. I would say, and you said you took a driving course. Who did you take the driver course with?
I will have to check my email. I took it online.
Did you send it? What did I order you to do that?
No, it came through the mail.
States drive the state of Michigan
It's on
Secretary
my,
of State.
yes.
Can you send it to me?
The certificate,
Yeah.
yes.
All right. So it's a situation where I know the Secretary of State allows them to take those classes. And if they take those classes, they will reduce some of the points. I don't know
Yeah,
what's on his driver record.
they told me that it'll be 0 points. It's actually on my driving record that I took it as well, because I just got a copy of my driving record.
All right, so I don't know what to do about these things. I don't know what to do about these tickets then.
Oh, okay.
If you took a driving course and show proof, I'm sure they could be amended. You still owe the money, but I don't know if they necessarily need to be amended to, you know, an offer of like blocking traffic or not. Show me proof of the driving course first, okay? Send that to my email. I'll put my email address in the chat, and then we'll move on from there. All right.
Okay, I'm looking for it now.
All right. I'm gonna pass the matter until I get it. Okay. Good morning. That's 313-765-7749. Who is that, please?
Yeah, Kendall Griggs.
Griggs.
Yes, Griggs.
Good morning to you, Mr. Griggs.
Good morning. Hello?
Who's that? All right, let's go with City of Detroit versus Kenneth Griggs Jr., right?
Yes, sir.
Case number U66123410 and U255274415. Appearance for the record, please.
That's fully the camera to carry on behalf of Mr. Griggs.
Yeah.
Griggs, take the name for the record, please.
Kenneth Griggs.
Today is the date, time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Yes, fully the camera to carry on behalf of Mr. Griggs. Judge, at this time, we'd ask the court to set aside the bench warrant in this matter. We'll stand mute, wait the full complaint warrant in this matter.
All right, I'm going to do that. I'm going to set aside the bench warrant and are not guilty on your client's behalf. You can find a $0 bond. And this is an old case. Both of them are old cases that he never satisfied the judgment. One of them being a violation of the marijuana code. The other one being a disorderly conduct. So let me pass the matter. So Mr. Lundy Mays needs to go on all of it. And I don't know what's wrong. No, I gave him 4. Okay, he got that. That's he needs some offer on all of it. Yeah, yeah. He told me. I didn't. That's wrong. I put him in the breakout room. I gave it off. I told you. On this one, he said it was just one of the cases. All right, what's the outcome on that one? That was 2 counts of failure to display and 2 counts of improper. That's what you said for that. Expired.
the expired plate.
All right, 2 counts of expired plates and 2 counts of failure to display.
Yes.
All right. And then this one here.
This was the 2 counts of improper, the two FD.
2 counts of improper and 2 FD. 2 counts of failure to display, 2 counts of expired plates. Right. 2 counts of plates and 2 counts of failure to display. Right.
But actually, they don't see improper equipment on there, Charlie? So. If so.
Judge, I don't mean to interrupt, but on Griffin, we have a different resolution.
Yeah, go ahead. What this is for who?
William Griffin.
Okay, what's the resolution for William Griffin?
Judge, we'd like a chance, we'd like to set this for a bench trial. And Mr. Griffin he'll take the driver class and he'll bring in his documentation for the registration and his insurance.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. William Griffin. Mr. Griffin, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room, and the counsel indicates you want to set the matter for trial, correct? Where's Mr. William Griffin?
Mr. Griffin, did you hear the judge?
Oh, sorry about that. I'm currently walking to work.
Okay, so you want to set the matter for trial, right?
That's right.
All right, I got the trial date on May 15th, 2023 at 9 a.m. Did you hear that?
There's something going.
May 15th, 2023 at 9 a.m. Did you hear that?
One more time, please.
May 15th, 2023 at 9 a.m. I put the driver course in the chat. So take a screenshot of that and give me the driver certificate ahead of their court date, okay?
Can you put that in the chat one more time, please?
I didn't hear you.
Would you be able to put that link in the chat one more time, please?
Yeah, it's in there.
I'm not sure how to go to it.
Do you have a chat thing down at the bottom of your screen?
Oh, okay.
Take a screenshot of that.
Okay, I just did.
And come back May 15th at 9 a.m., okay?
May 15 at 9 a.m.?
Yeah, have a very good day, sir. Good luck to you.
Okay, thank you. You too.
Bring that registration and insurance too.
All right, have a great day. So here, his situation is a little bit more complicated. Mr. He took Michigan Better Drivers. So Mr. Lyle's case is one, he took the driver course. I guess it's, and he's already gotten the points reduced. I guess it's not as complicated. They got a letter. It's just to be money. He's already got the points reduced. You want to get into counts of blocking traffic. I don't know what the other, here's the driver course.
On for Lyles?
For Lyles. He went to the hearing downstairs. They admitted it to limited access 1 to 5. Okay. That was back last year in September. He never paid. So it reverted back to the wrong way driving. He since then took the driver's course. He says he's got a letter from the Secretary of State telling him that he doesn't have any points on his license because he took the class. Is that right, Mr. Lyles?
Correct. They told me if I take the class, then it would be reduced to 0 points.
All right. So you already owe them 2 counts of blocking traffic. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Brent Lyles here. Before you leave, you get understand. Well, let's go back on the record with Mr. Brent Lyles. Mr. Lyles, your offer is going to be pleading to 2 counts of blocking traffic. I have proof that you took the course. Thank you for that. I'll amend the 2 cases, the wrong way driving and the disregarding the red signal, the blocking traffic, and I'll dismiss the other matters. That's gonna be $175 a piece. So that's gonna be $350. You wanna
Okay,
take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir, but can I have some time to pay it? I just graduated
Sure.
nursing school, so I'm sorry.
Okay, so we know we're gonna get that money then, because you're about to be making a boatload of cash.
Absolutely, but I'm looking for work now. So if I can get an extension or some time to pay it.
All right, so, the city likes the fact that you got some education. He's giving you one count, so $175.
Okay, thank you.
Chance, he's gonna let you know.
Welcome. All right.
Yeah, just.
All right, will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea, Counselor?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175, and dismiss the other matters. How long do you need to pay?
Can I have 45 days?
Long time. All right, I'll give you till May the 18th, 2023. All right, pay it. Make sure you pay it this time.
Yes, sir. Now regarding the tickets about the insurance and registration.
All the other matters are closed, sir.
Okay, thank you very much.
Have a great day. Congratulations on that nursing degree, and good luck on the job.
Thank you. And I'm sorry, just to confirm, it's the one for 175?
One is gonna be $175. Wait till it's in the system, and then make sure it says blocking traffic, $175. All right, everything else will be closed out.
Thank you. Have a great day.
All right, have a great better one. All right, Lundy Mays. What's Lundy Mays gonna get? Mr. Mays, are you there?
Yes, I'm still here, Your Honor.
Did you graduate from nursing school?
No, sir. No, sir.
Turn your camera on, sir. Are you in school? He's got his
Currently not right
master's. Huh?
I'm looking for nursing school. I'm trying to enroll in it right now.
That's what you tell me anything, right?
No, I'm serious. I'm serious. I'm serious. I'm serious.
Let's go back on the
Judge,
record.
the offer is an FTD.
Let's go back on the record with Rashawn Lundy Mays. Hey, Mr. Goss, put your appearance on the record, please.
May it please the honorable court, Dante Goss, P60162, on behalf of the people.
All right.
Bob Zaranick for the defendant, Your Honor. So it's my understanding, Judge, the offer is to dismiss the insurance and reduce the other matter to a failure to display.
So it's we got way more cases than that. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 cases. Because we arraigned them on the new cases, and so it's 12 cases. And I don't know, I don't know if the city's gonna dismiss all of them.
No. 2 FTDs, 1 improper plate, and 1 improper equipment.
2 failure to displays, $240 a piece. Those are gonna abstract. Those are gonna likely generate probably more than a 30-day suspension with the 2 failure to displays. Do you have a valid license, sir?
Yes, sir, I do, sir.
Oh, run his license. That changes the game a little bit, I think. Does it? At least it won't suspend his license. Yeah, it won't suspend his license. Do you have registration and insurance?
I'm currently in the making of getting those right now. I just got the car running, Your Honor. And then as soon as I got it running, this all happened. So, getting it all renewed. I'm getting it all renewed. I got a registration for it. I just need to get it renewed and insurance also.
So can we just adjourn these, Judge, and give them a chance to bring in those documents?
That doesn't matter to me. Let's run the license first, see if that's good.
All right.
We have officers in the breakout. Corporal Greer, I got Hampton here, I got Corporal Bennett. I was here for? Yeah, I have, here's one.
Somebody else called it. They said they were in the waiting room, too.
Greer. I got some out of the way.
And don't forget about guidance.
Oh, the license is valid.
And yeah, so come back with paperwork.
So come back with some paperwork and then we can get you a better offer. I don't have any,
Okay,
I
thank
don't have any tickets. I don't have any tickets at all in here. All I have is ROAs. Want to set it for a trial date? Or you want to just go ahead and come back with paperwork?
Let's just set up
I
a
wanna come
bench
back.
trial, Judge, and see if he can bring back the documents in the meantime.
Pre-trial.
So, excuse me, Your Honor, can I ask a question?
Yeah, complaining about the officers.
All right, pre-trial. 4/11/2023 at 8:30. Bring that extra documentation in, sir. And we will see if we can get you a better offer, all right?
Yes, sir. What documentation is that, Your Honor? Is that the insurance and
Well,
the?
you said insurance and registration. You got it, you have a
Yes.
license. Make sure
Yes,
you
I
let
do.
us know that next time, and then we'll see if the offer will get better, all right?
Okay, and about the warrants, the 4 warrants I had out,
They're all
they all
cleared
cleared
up.
up? Okay,
And,
so I'll
yeah,
be
but
back
they'll
at
be back if you don't show back up.
I got you. I'll be there. 4/11.
Yeah, May the 11th, 2023, 9 a.m., all right? All right,
You
here's
said
some
May?
more.
That's 5/11, Your Honor.
Strike that, April, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Now you can blame
What time?
me. He can blame me when he doesn't show up.
I ain't gonna blame. I'm about to write it down right now. Make sure I'm on beat with it.
May the 11th at 9 a.m.
Okay, got it. May 11th, 9 a.m. Just bring the documentation. It's all good.
It's all good. Have a good day, sir.
Thank you. God bless.
You too. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Armani Jawan Guy. Case number SP 136839121. Appearance for the record, please.
Only the Cameron appearing on behalf of the defendant.
All right, today is the date. Mr. Guy, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Armani Juwan guy.
All right, today is the date and time set for, good morning to you, for a trial. Is there Officer Timothy Raynell? Hearing no response. You want to make a motion, Counselor?
Yes, Judge, we'd motion to dismiss at this time.
Say he's over there hanging out at Chandler Park. All right, after dark. All right, I'm gonna grant the motion to dismiss, no officer. If there's nothing further, Mr. Guy, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Thank you. You do the same. Appreciate it.
You're showing off that new GMC.
Yes.
I don't
Have a
know
good
these. All right, have a good one. All right. Let's deal with Mr. Griggs. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Griggs. Mr. Griggs, press *6 on your phone to unmute yourself, please.
Okay.
All right.
Hello?
Got a lot of background noise there, sir.
Yeah, I just eliminated it.
You what?
I said, okay.
All right, so I don't know what to do with this, sir. You entered into these pleas a long time ago. I'll recall the warrant, but you owe the court $1,730.
Oh,
Oh.
I mean, I didn't know. I mean, I was like, you know, I'm supposed to pay $1,700.
That's what you agreed to.
Oh, I didn't. I'm sorry, I didn't even hear. I thought I was agreeing to who I am. I didn't know. Oh.
You are. I believe you're agreeing to who you are as well. You're Kenneth Griggs, aren't you?
Yeah, Kenneth Griggs Jr., but I must have didn't hear you when you said agree to $1,700. But I thought I was just agreeing to.
I know you probably didn't want to hear that, but you're Kenneth Griggs Jr. You were born on January 17th, 64, weren't you?
Yes, sir.
That's a week after my brother's birthday on the same year. And
okay.
in 2010, you agreed to pay the court what was that? Original fine was $400 before this disorderly conduct. You never paid that. And then in 2015, you agreed to pay the court $1,250 for that violation of the Marijuana Act. And you never paid that.
Yeah, I just fell upon some hard times. I'm disability. So yeah, I have fell upon some hard times, but I'm making a full effort into trying to pay whatever I need to pay right now.
All right, so what do you want me to do? You want me to put these matters on time to pay or what?
Yeah, but I mean, I can't pay the whole thing at one time. I need to miss.
How much time do you need?
Is 60 days good enough? Because I'm just disability fixed income.
All right, I'll get the review in 60 days. May the 18th, 2023, all right?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
All right, thank you. You too.
All right.
All right.
Janine Marie Green. Janine Marie Green. Looks like it's an auto repair shop. Janine Green. All right, you have Miss Greer's office. We're ready for Greer. Miss Greer, you were there? She was one of the first ones in here too.
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning, ma'am. Let's see. All right, there she is. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, this City of Detroit versus Kamisha Greer. Kamisha Creana Greer.
Carlina Greer.
Carlina Greer.
Carlina.
Sorry about that. Case number 204-929-831. SP 127-0692, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 421-4181. SP 834 5981. 27130115. 13-519-6851. 13-629-6631. Here for the record, please.
Dante Dawson, on behalf of the people.
Linda Cameron appearing on behalf of the defendant.
Your Honor, at this time, ticket ending in 981, Officer Jeremy Gruhl is going to be dismissed for proper documentation.
1 second. Officers, Officer Corporal Rule, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Overall, Bed 896 Detroit Police, 6th Precinct.
And Judge Corporal Hamptons also has one of her tickets.
All right, Corporal Hampton, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Detroit Police Officer Rory Hampton, badge 4807.
Okay, Your Honor, that's ticket ending in 6851. Will also be dismissed for proper documentation. Ticket ended in 181. Officer Anthony Hill will be dismissed for no recollection.
Corporal, here I saw him, he appeared. What's the number on that?
181.
Sorry, oh, that's 181.
Officer Alexander did appear on the U ticket. And that's also no recollection.
I saw Alexander here as well.
Your Honor, did you call a U ticket?
Yeah, I called a U ticket U27130111. And so that leaves us with 1. Then we have a 13-629-6631. That is Officer Ambrose. He is not here. I didn't see him.
Yes, Judge, that's correct.
Want to make a motion on that ticket?
Yes, Judge, we would motion to dismiss that ticket for failure of the officer to appear here for trial.
Okay, I'm going to grant that motion. And then SP 1270692, counts 1 and counts 2.
Yes, yes, Officer McLaughlin did not appear here today. We're asking for a dismissal on those 2 tickets.
Looks like Miss Greer is hitting the lottery today. All right, now let's look at 201. I'll grant that motion to dismiss. I haven't seen Officer McLaughlin in here. And then 204-929-831. There's an Officer Dwyer. Brandon Dwyer.
Officer Dwyer did not appear here today either, Judge. We ask that this matter be dismissed also for the same reason. No officer appearance.
All right. I'm going to grant those motions for those various reasons. I'll put them all in the file. I'm going to waive the warrant fees. You're going to be responsible to pay the reinstatement fees. You do owe the court some more money on these old civil infractions, ma'am, that have been in default for quite some time. So I'm going to leave those as they are. And then you'll owe $45 reinstatement fees on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cases, okay?
I have my driver's license.
I know, that's why they're dismissing some of the cases, but you still owe money. These cases are old. That you still owe the court money back in the day, and you never paid it.
For how much I owe for which ticket?
Well, for SP 4214171, you owe $246. Here's another one. You owe for SP 8345971, you owe $258. Count 3 of that ticket, you owe $162. And then add up 5 times 45, you owe that in reinstatement fees. So that's the amount. All the matters are dismissed, so you no longer have to come to court, but the court is gonna probably try to collect on those, so you need to either come down here and make a payment arrangement with them or pay it off altogether.
The $45 you said what? It's for my license?
$45 reinstatement fees.
For my license?
No, ma'am.
Yeah. So what happened was the Secretary of State allowed you to get a license despite owing the court these reinstatement fees. The court is not forgiving those fees. You do have a driver's license now, and that's why you got the benefit of your cases being dismissed, the ones without a license. But you're still gonna owe the court that money, okay?
All right.
All right, if there's nothing further, man, have a very good day. Good luck to you, okay?
All right, thank you.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit. All right, officers, thank you for being here, and be safe out there, okay?
You have a good day, Your Honor.
You have a better one. And Lewis and Antoine Lewis never showed, and William Lanier never showed. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Shanine Marie Green, case number SP 1326143, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 136666861. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Melinda Shana Green.
All right, Ms. Green, can you state good morning to you? Can you state your name for the record, please?
Shana Green.
All right, today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Ask the court to set aside the warrants. We'll stay mute on the arraignment on the matters and ask the court that they're not guilty plea on each misdemeanor matter.
All right, go in there not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Green, why can't you get a driver's license?
I'm working on it now, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to give you some time to do that. What about valid registration and insurance?
What is that? Your Honor, she works for me. She was transporting a car from the car lot to the mechanic shop.
All right, hold on
We
a
have
second.
our, you know, she
Hold on
just.
a second. Hold on a second. What's your name, sir? State your name.
I'm sorry.
State your name, record, please.
My name is Abraham Hannick. My name is Abraham Al-Hannick.
Spell it, please.
First name Abraham, last name Alhanek.
Okay, so you these 2009 Chevy with no plate. You're indicating to the court that that's your vehicle you were repairing or something?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
And you allowed Ms. Green to drive that vehicle, right? You see where I'm going?
Yes, Your Honor.
So what did he just do, Ms. Cameron?
Admit to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive.
Yep, that's a misdemeanor. Well,
To my knowledge, he had a valid driver license, Your
wait a
Honor.
minute, let me back up. He didn't necessarily admit to that because I guess he would have to know that Mrs. Green did not have a license. Am I correct, Ms. Cameron?
He just said he did not know.
So, all right, we need a valid license, ma'am. I'm gonna give you time to get the license valid.
Okay, Your Honor.
How long is it gonna take you?
I'm working on it now. Trying to do it as soon as possible.
Yeah, so put a date on it.
I can go with
a month. Give him a month. Ask him for a month.
Could I get maybe like almost a month?
All right, I'm gonna give you a month. 8:30, pre-trial. April the 17th, 2023, at 8:30 a.m. Bring us a valid license, valid registration, and valid insurance, okay?
Okay.
If I have those, Your Honor.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Come on back on that date, all right?
Okay, what if we have the paperwork we could show you now?
As far as the dealer.
I want to see it. I want to see it on
dealer
April the 17th, and we'll make a decision on that then.
Okay, Your Honor.
All right, there's nothing further, Ms. Green, and sir, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, that seems like
You don't have a valid driver? What's up with your driver license?
Put that off the camera right now. Because it sounded like he didn't know that she didn't have a valid license. Corporal Bennett.
Yes, Your Honor. I was waiting on dismissal from Mr. Lewis.
Mr. Lewis never showed.
Oh, yes, sir. I just want to make sure it was good with you.
Okay, all right, very well. All right, Corporal Bennett, I'll see you.
Yes, everybody.
Actually, I saw you the other day pulling somebody over.
Yes, sir. That's what I do.
I know. I'm glad it wasn't me.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
You're better. Safe out there.
Thank you.